Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina. Miss Cali Cat just walked away, y'all. I was hoping she would stay because today is the Cat Lady box. Y'all, I love this box. This box is so cute. All stuff for us people who are crazy about cats. Yes, crazy cat ladies. Not crazy because we are having issues. Crazy because we love our kitty cats. So in this box, you're gonna find such cute little items that are cat related. They could have cats on them. They could have, you know, t-shirts with cute little cat phrases, soap dishes, soap dispensers, coasters, all kinds of cute items. They have two different boxes. There's the regular Cat Lady box, and it has 3 to 4 items for us cat lovers, and it is $34.99 a month. Or you can get the Crazy Cat Lady box, which is the same thing except it also has 2 items for your kitty cats, and it's $39.99 a month. That is what I get. I get the Crazy Cat Lady box. I love it. I love that it has something in here for the kids, the furry kids. So let's see. Let's open it up and see what our items are, and hopefully Callie will come back in here and see what her items are. And I don't know where Bonnie is. My little Meow Meow is sitting in the window in the other room, soaking up the sun. All right, so let me cut the tape on this. I'll be right back. All right, so here we go. I've slit the tape. Let's open it up. Ooh, I love the Cat Lady box. Whoever thought this up, so inventive, so cute. All right, so, oh, there goes the card. Here's a little sneak peek. I gotta take my own little sneak peek. Let me grab that card. So very cute. They feature an artist each month, and they have the artist draw this cute little postcard. It's a pretty picture. Pretty enough you could frame and put in your house. So cute. And they tell you about the artist. So let me read to you about the artist. The artist, ooh. Youksky, Youksy. I'm sorry if I'm butchering the name. Youksky is a designer and artist who loves to create watercolors and colorful floral illustrations. This piece is inspired by their cat, Melissa, who likes to play and sleep in unusual positions. You can see more by following her at YOUKSY on Instagram. That is just adorable. That's just adorable. So, another thing about this box is they give back to shelters, things like that. Each month they have a list of the different places that they give to. So this month they donated to DC Paws Rescue, Nevada SPCA, Pet Promise, Pet Adoption Network, and Oakbrook Cat Rescue. So our buying this box is going to help animals in the long run. I love that. Oh, so great. Oh, by the way, the theme is Meowlentines. Too cute. And here's the list of the products that we get. So let's bust in and see what is in here. So pretty. I love a watercolor. All right, paper doesn't want here. I'll take everything out and get rid of the box because it's bugging me today. All right, got rid of the box. Now I can kind of see what's going on. Well, okay, is this what I think it is? Let's open it up and see. Oh my goodness. So, and it has their logo. You see it? Look how cute this is. How adorable. Can y'all see it? See the kitty? So very cute. Oh my goodness. That's adorable. And it is a plush bed. Man, if you didn't look at that just right, you wouldn't realize it's a cat's face. Can y'all see the cat's face? That is too cute. Let me see what it says. I can't hold on to the card today. This is the Prisma Cat Mat Bed. Is there anything cats love more than good cat naps? The value of this is $17.99. Yes, my kitties will love it. I always keep something like this on my kitchen table. Yes, because I have it pushed up against the bay window. And if they're going to be on my table, I want them on something so I can just take it off, wipe it off with cleaner, you know. Anyway, too cute, just adorable. I'm gonna look at this shirt. Oh, I love the shirts. Okay, so I got this in an extra large, and I think I could probably go down to a large in this one. You know, some of them, they run small. This box does not do the run small thing, and I love that about it. What does it say? You had me at Meow. Oh, how cute. This is perfect. You know, one of my kitties is Meow. That's perfect. And such a pretty pastel-y, pinky purple color. Very cute. Very cute shirt. You had me at Meow Shirt. It was Love at First Per, a value of $22.99. So cute. I love shirts like this. Okay, let's see what this is. Oh, it's a sweetheart cat necklace. Oh my goodness. Can y'all see that? Oh, let's take it out. Sweetheart cat necklace. It says a sweet necklace to keep your cats close to your heart, a value of $22.99. Isn't that just adorable? It could go with my little pink heart I'm wearing today. Just put it on. It says 22 karat gold plated. And it is adjustable. Love things that are adjustable. Look how pretty that is. Hey, Callie Cat, you gonna come up here? She says, oh, I smell something, Mama. There's something over here for me. She's gonna get to it before we can. Oh, so cute. How adorable. What are you doing? Huh? You gonna say hi to everybody? You know? Ooh, I see the squirrel. I see the squirrel. All right. Let me get to this one before she does. Look, it's a fortune cookie. Oh my goodness, it's a fortune cookie. This is a fortune cookie catnip toy. The secret to happiness is the catnip in the handmade cookie, valued at $6.99. Are you gonna play with your toy? Too cute. Dream cat. All right, last item. This is the Ombre Cat's Wine Tumbler. Your drink will stay cool for hours while you're stuck with the cat on your lap. That just, yeah, that happens a lot. Value of $27.99. Insulated wine tumbler, 14 ounces, stainless steel cup with lid, hand wash only, do not microwave. Y'all, this is just adorable. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's brilliant. Look, it's got a lid. See if I can get it off. Why can I never open anything? It's a stay on lid. Okay, got the lid off. All right, so there you can see it does have a hole in it. Very cute. That's cute. This will be fun when I get my pool finally open and I can keep my beverages nice and cool sitting by the pool or on my hammock with Bonnie. Bonnie likes to sit in the hammock with me. Very cute. So what did y'all think of this month's Cat Lady box for Meowlentines? So adorable. You didn't play with your toy. She's like, I got too much going on, Mom. There's too much going on. So we got the tumbler. We got the beautiful necklace. The shirt, you had me at Meow. And the adorable little nap mat for them. And don't forget the cat toy. Isn't that cute? Love it. Don't forget to comment. Let me know what you think below. While you're down there, I'd really appreciate it if you push all those YouTube buttons. The subscribe button, I really appreciate it if you subscribe. It is free. The like button, that's that big thumbs up. The notification bell, that'll tell you when I'm putting new videos out. And don't forget to share with your friends. Tell everybody about the channel. Tell them how adorable Miss Callie Cat is and how they have to watch her. Y'all, thank you so very much. Happy Valentine's Day. Have a wonderful day and God bless.